Eddie's piercing my nose. Just washed his hands.
Surgery ready.
Here's the tool. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here so you can see. Okay. All right. So, honey,
Fine.
you have to.
Yeah, but where am I doing it?
Right here.
Here, you got the dot?
Yeah.
Sure,
I got
that's
the
where you
dot.
want it?
That's where I want it. I did research. So really hard and really fast, okay?
Should we do it from the other side?
This way. Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Yeah, you're gonna be so scared. You sure that's a good spot?
Yes.
I think it's a little higher.
A little higher, you think? I don't know. Well, so
Let's look at it.
It's said that when you smile, it's supposed to sit in the crease. Because when you smile, it accentuates, the crease accentuates that part. So is that too low?
What happens if it's not right?
I take it out and it heals.
Okay. We'll do it again.
I don't know about that, but I mean... You have to be in frame too, honey.
I take no pleasure.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Honey, this
Okay,
is
make
so
sure
weird.
it lines up, okay? No, don't test it because it'll break.
Oh, good. Any other useful tips? So I just gotta do it.
Yeah.
Did you clean your nose first?
Yes, I did.
Did you do it fast?
Yep.
Just don't squint.
I can't help it.
All right, so we're gonna do a countdown. What do you want to
Just
do?
do it.
Now I gotta take it out.
Yep.
You did it. You okay? Look, looks great.
Oh my God! I have a nose piercing. Here you go.
Wait, hold on.
Turn off the video. You got it right on target,
I
man.
am opening up a shop.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm pushing it.